My name is Pete Mayer, riding for Strictly. This is my bike check. Just got hold of a new Volume Smoko frame. It's a little bit different than what I've been riding. It's a little bit longer in the rear, but the most noticeable thing is the bottom bracket. It's a little bit lower, sitting at 11.4, which actually makes the rear end feel a little bit shorter, but it's still stable because the rear end's longer. G-Sport ribcage rims. I won't run anything else. Same as the profile mini hubs. Male axle is the strongest you can get. Fly brakes. Pretty sure these are about 2006, 2007 model. And yeah, why reinvent the wheel when these work just fine. Fly diamond cranks. Another reason I run these is because I had some from 2008. I just snapped them this year, so they put up with a lot, so I bought another pair. And Odyssey forks, R25, in between, so I didn't really know what I wanted, so I just went in between. Odyssey headset, I run quite a few spaces under my stem, which feels better, pulls up easier. S&M Enduro stem, nice and strong. I have a bit of trouble landing on the front wheel sometimes, my handlebars sliding forward. This thing you can just absolutely crank the shit out of. Such a bars for moving. And yeah, I've actually just changed to the Smoko bars as well. I thought that would just suit the frame, and it's probably the best bike I've ridden so far.